Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here locate and open General Management and go to Language and Input. Here select language, and by tapping on Add Language you can check all the possibilities. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options, and then just select the language that you would like to apply. Let me pick, for example, Portuguese, then select the region, and now you can set it as a default. And as you can see, it has been already changed, so now you can use your phone in Portuguese. As you can see, everything has been updated, and all icons, settings, everything is in Portuguese. Then if you'd like to go back to English or maybe change the language one more time, smoothly pick General Management again, go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and now you can either slide English up to make it a default language, and now it will be done, or you can remove those languages by tapping on Edit, then select those that you would like to remove and click on Remove. And then your device will stay with the language that is left here. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.